Hello my friends, it's Michelle and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some winter decorating ideas that can easily transition from Christmas to winter. This video is also a collab with my friends. I will put it up here on the screen and I will also put their channels linked below in my description box. So after you're done watching my video, please go over and check out their videos and tell them that I sent you. So my thing is, I like to reuse whatever decor that I can that I have from Christmas without having to go out and buy more stuff that I really don't need. Who can agree on that one? So what I am doing this year to make things a little less stressful on myself is every few days, because I do work full time, or when I have the chance, I'm going to start taking down one room at a time. That also gives me a little more time to enjoy it just a little bit longer. So I'm starting off with our entryway table, and I'm reusing this lantern that I had in my bedroom, and I picked this up at Home with these two silver candle holders, also from At Home, and these kind of off-white pillar candles. I think it looks really pretty. And of course, my bottle brush trees, I am obsessed with them. This garland is from the Dollar Tree. I had it from Christmas, but I just wanted to create a little greenery in this scene. And then I will go ahead and reuse these wooden beads that I've had for a few years already. So we've had our Christmas decorations up for almost 2 months now, and I have to be honest with you, I am not tired of them, and I'm a little bit sad to take them down, but that's part of my reasoning for decorating for winter. I can still enjoy the seasonal decor minus the red. I am, however, looking forward to a clean, fresh space and one that is definitely less cluttered feeling. So now moving on into the kitchen, I wanted to keep it simple, so I just put on top of my noodle board these two candle holders from the Dollar Tree with little tea light candles and that tree plant that I've had. So now I'm just moving on to this part of the counter. I'm just going to put a little bit of decor here as well. Let me know in the comments below if you guys also decorate for winter, or do you just jump right into Valentine's Day or spring? Let me know. So I'm going to be using my wine glass candle holders. This was a DIY that I made in my last video. If you guys didn't see the video, I will put it up here in the cards and also link it down below in my description box. So what I really like about these candle holders is they're totally customizable. You can switch out the decor, the candles, what's inside for any season or holiday. So I really like that, and I just went ahead and took out the Christmas ornaments that I had inside and I switched it out with some pine cones and a little bit of greenery, and then those candles have a little bit of greenery inside of them, and look how it turned out. And now I'm just moving on to this little spot in my counter that I use to keep my coffee stuff, and I'm just gonna put a little tiered tray, because what would a kitchen counter be without a tiered tray? So this is a tiny one, and I like that because it doesn't take up a lot of room. And I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a good cleaning, and then just decorate it with just a few pieces, not too much. As I said, I want to keep this very simple.
It like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants, and it's midnight. Oh, I'm thinking about.
So that will be all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it and maybe found a couple of ideas that you can use in your own home as well. Please don't forget to give this video a big like. Please subscribe down below so you don't miss any future videos, and I hope that you all have a very happy new year. Let's do this 2022.